Easy installation with standard Phillips head screwdriver. Fully reversible lever, can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Fits all doors 1/3 to 1/3 in thickness. 6-way adjustable latch to fit any 2/3 or 2/3 backset. Certified Grade 3 security by ANSI/BHMA. Amazon Basics contemporary Stamford door lever with lock, privacy, matte black. Top reviews from the United States. Good lever but doesn't have the hall/passage. I just put this lever in and I like it, but Amazon does not offer a matching handle in the hall/passage or in the dummy version. I might have to return this so I can have matching handles.